Good evening. So today we'll be talking about the laws of free energy in thermodynamics. So first, the first law of thermodynamics is that the energy can neither be created nor destroyed, and that enthalpy is represented by delta H. And if we have delta H is given by the products minus the reactants. So if that value is negative, it's an exothermic reaction. If that value is positive, it is an endothermic reaction. And we know that entropy is the degree of disorder that's going on. And a positive delta S, which is entropy, means that the reaction is spontaneous. We also know that when it comes to Gibbs free energy, that's the maximum released energy that is available. So when Gibbs free energy is less than 0, it's spontaneous, and when it's greater than 0, it's non-spontaneous, because spontaneous means that it occurs on its own. So we'd assume that the amount of free energy available would be in a negative range because the energy is being used up properly. Then we move into the second law of thermodynamics. It says that the entropy of the universe continues to increase. So delta S for the universe is going to be greater than 0. And delta S is equal to the delta systems plus their surroundings. And if that's positive, it's going to be spontaneous. We also have the third law of thermodynamics, which is that when a crystal is at absolute 0, delta S is always positive, and a value is always going to be 0. So in delta S is also calculated by the products minus reactants. In all of these cases, it's always the products minus reactants. Now we have standard free energy, which is the amount of free energy that is there at a standard position. So that can be at 25 degrees Celsius. And we know that change is calculated by delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln Q. R would have to do with the gas constant, and T is given in kelvins. So you have your value plus 273 will give you that. And then you just put that, plug certain values into the equation to find out the standard free energy that is there. Overall, this lesson was a little hard when it came to calculating certain values, but once you actually start to get the hang of it, it becomes easier.